I can hear how this little baby's calling me and telling me, pick me, pick me, pick me. Again, you can see we have a bright pink here, we have nice beautiful orange, we have a soft pink. Yes, I will swatch all of you. I will give a life each of you. Also, this is lipstick, $26. I think it's a good price and they look so luxury. I have 3 different formulas to show you. This one it's matte formula, this is it's your shine formula, and this is it's your satin formula. I'm starting video with this hot orange lip color Puppy Pop number 36, and it's a satin finish lipstick. It's pretty orange. I will say it's a bright orange, but it is pretty. Second color, it's beige pop. It's really like neutral color, and it's number 31. Beige pop, it looks more pinky undertone on my lips. Formula, it's really rich, creamy. I will say it's a full body lipstick. I'm not talking about color, I'm talking about formula. Very creamy, very rich. Number 40, Cute Pop. This color looks totally different on my lips than if I look lipstick. It looks really plummy on like soft plum lip color on my lips. Another very soft nude color, number 41, Petal Pop. Wow, so far this probably the winner from this collection. Petal Pop number 41. This will be my everyday lipstick. You can't go wrong with this lip color. What do you think? I actually would like to ask you for a favorite. For some reason, I do not see so many people reviewing Clinique products, and I love Clinique products. They are good quality. Yes, every brand has something like good or bad, but it's beautiful. Price, it's right. I like formula, and please give me like, support me, support this video. I want people to know how good this lipstick, how good quality, and maybe another fancy beauty bloggers will start reviewing Clinique products, not just honey lip color. Honey Pop number 32, another nude colors. I like these nude colors. This is color Honey Pop, and it's a little bit pale for my lips. I definitely need to use lip liner, and Clinique lip liners goes amazing. If you want me to make a swatch video with Clinique lip liner, again, comments below. And you can see Honey Pop, it's a little bit more peachy compared to first one. I will say pinky, another it's like a nude, little bit more browny, and this third color it's more peachy. I'm not talking about these two colors, just want you to understand pinky, more little bit browny, and this is peachy one. This is color Latte number 17. I think I like this. This is color Latte number 17, and it feels a little bit different on my lips. Maybe I mix formula because it feels different. Yes, I just look and discover this is actually not satin finish formula. This is it's matte, and it feels velvety cream, but its formula feels a little bit drier than satin. This is its color 17 Latte. Oh, it looks a little bit more browny, dark brown, looks like color cola. Looks like Coca-Cola. Okay, let's try. It's not too bad, but it's not my favorite color. I think it's a little bit too deep. Or I just need a different, have eye makeup, maybe a little bit more blush. Again, it's not bad, but I think it's a little bit too dark, too deep. And it's age me. Let me know if you agree, darker color, it's age me. And this color, it's color cappuccino. Another beautiful color cappuccino. If you don't want a darker color like cola, you can go to color cappuccino. It's definitely couple levels lighter, but it also still has this brown undertone lipstick. So far I like 3 colors: cappuccino, I like color petal pop, and I like color beige pop. They all like a neutral undertone, but they are different. So pretty. I need your help. Comments below. Cappuccino, beige, or petal pop. And last color from this collection I have, it looks like a really red color, and it's peppermint number 37. Peppermint, it's a red, little bit blue undertone lipstick. Now I have a 3 lip colors, they are matte. Let me try for you. This is it's 01 Blush and Pop. This matte formula, and it feels a little bit like a powdery texture on my lips. This is its Blush and Pop. This is its number 19 Petal Pop. Remember, I like on the Satin formula, but this is it's on matte formula. Again, color Petal number 19. This is a Chili Pop, and it looks like a true red color. This is a Chili Pop, and you can see this is definitely a blue undertone red, and this is true red. This is its Sweet Pop. It's like a bubbly pink. Shine formula have a little bit sheer texture, little bit sheer color compared to a Satin formula. This is color Sweet Pop, and you can see it's a bubbly pink. Number 23 Blush Pop. Blush Pop. Color 28 Sugar Pop. Sugar Pop, it's pretty pale color. This is color Melon Pop. Wow, I never think about I will pick this lip color, but it is very pretty. This is color, it's Melon Pop. Wow, so far from Shine formula, I really like Melon Pop. It's so pretty and soft. Color 02 Bear Pop. I don't know if you see or not, but color Bear Pop have a little bit like shimmer, little bit metallic-y. And because another to me it's like they all like more matte color, but this one definitely have a little bit something. Color Bear Pop right here, and again I do see like a little bit metallic shine here. I forgot to show you 2 colors, Plum Pop. This is its color Love, and believe me or not, I will never think about I will like this color, but actually very pretty. I think this is like my favorite blue plummy undertone lipstick. I like this. Wow, look at this bright pink color. Okay, let me just swatch it right here. I want you to see this. It's so pretty. No matter what, I will say like this color or this, but every time when I see pink, hot pink, I love it. Even you don't see much means these lip colors like this, but let's try, let me see. Wow, this is pretty, this is bright. you know what, this specific color, it don't feels to me like a shine formula. It's more like a satin, because it's a full bold, I will say, formula. You don't need to reapply a couple times to build color. But it feels texture-wise lighter than satin. But when it's color on my lips, is a color pretty, like I would say, rich. I don't know if I can if I explain and right or not. Sorry for my English. I'm originally from Ukraine, but this is, it's so pretty. I'm not sure if I like with this eyeshadow, but if you're looking for a bright pink color, little bit more fuchsia, that's it. This is its Punch Pop color. And now, before I swatch this last lip color, I decide I want to do something special. I'm gonna have a little gift giveaway for one of you who live in United States. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Katya Beauty Style. Subscribe my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. And then, when you will receive a post with Clinique video, I will process swatching Clinique lipstick. Please message me free Clinique lipstick. I will send you Clinique gift. I will send you free Clinique lipstick, and I'm not gonna choose for you. You choose one lipstick, which one you like, and I will send you home, and it's free shipping. Remember, comments below here, subscribe my YouTube channel, on Instagram follow me, and just leave me a message, free lipstick, and I will send you one. Okay, let's watch last lip color. Cherry Pop 08. This is a Cherry Pop, and it's definitely blue undertone lip color. Last color is Cherry Pop. Love you more. Please subscribe, comments below. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video. And remember, one of you will receive a free lipstick, and I will put nice, beautiful Clinique gift for you.